questions. The guy in the downstairs with the fur. What the fuck? What is that?
He didn't come down.
There's a guy from here with a light blue jacket who works with me all the time. He went in this door here and has a way to get up to the roof.
Sit back.
You bleached a baby!
Your guys did it. Pack your stuff up so you can go. You're lucky you're not going too.
That's all I'm asking for the kids.
I don't know, sir.
I'd like to make a shout out to those who try to silence the animals.